Good morning, students. We will just take one example on how to find domain and range. The question goes like this. Find the domain and range of y is equal to f of x equal to root of 100 minus x square. Let us think about the answer now. We know that the possible values x can take in any function is called its domain. Possible values y is equal to f of x can take is called its range. Root of 100 minus x square is meaningful only when 100 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. Whenever 100 minus x square is greater than or equal to 0, we end up with 10 plus x into 10 minus x greater than or equal to 0, which will imply you 10 plus x greater than or equal to 0 and 10 minus x greater than or equal to 0, or 10 plus x less than or equal to 0 and 10 minus x less than or equal to 0, because product of two numbers will be positive only when both of them are positive simultaneously or both of them are negative simultaneously, which will imply you x greater than or equal to minus 10 and x less than or equal to 10, or x less than or equal to minus 10 and x greater than or equal to 10. While you think about the second possibility, below minus 10 and above 10, there is no common value. Therefore, it is not possible. While you think about the first case, we end up with minus 10 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. Therefore, we come to the conclusion domain of root of 100 minus x square is nothing but closed interval minus 10 comma 10. All the real numbers between minus 10 and 10 inclusive of both the values minus 10 and 10. Now, minus 10 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. Taking squares on both sides, we'll end up with 0 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 100, because a square can never be negative. Minimum value taken by any square value, square of any real number will be 0. Now, for 0 greater than or equal to minus x square greater than or equal to minus 100, that is, when we multiply by a minus sign, inequality totally gets changed, which implies minus 100 less than or equal to minus x square less than or equal to 0. Adding 100 throughout, we get 100 minus 100 less than or equal to 100 minus x square less than or equal to 100, which implies 0 less than or equal to 100 minus x square less than or equal to 100. Taking square root throughout, 0 less than or equal to root of 100 minus x square less than or equal to 10, which implies 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 10, or 0 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 10. Therefore, range of the given function happens to be closed interval 0, 10. The same thing can be explained by simply drawing the graph of the function. Y is equal to root of 100 minus x square is nothing but the upper half of the circle x square plus y square equal to 100, passing through 10, 0, 0, 10, minus 10, 0, and with center 0, 0. See the diagram. Here, if you look at the diagram, the x values taken by the curve is between minus 10 and 10. Therefore, I mean to say the domain is closed interval minus 10, 10. And the y value taken by the curve is nothing but 0, 10, between 0 and 10. Therefore, the range is nothing but closed interval 0, 10. Therefore, by drawing the graph automatically, we'll be able to get the values of x and y quickly, and we'll be able to write the answer also. We will be able to write the answer also. This is an easier way to get the answer if we draw the graph. Thank you, students, for patient listening.